This is Brooks, copywriter by day, novelist by night, and hardcore gamer on the weekends. At work, he uses a Mac. At the coffee shop, he writes on his iPad. And on the weekends, Brooks pawns noobs on his hand-built PC. Now there's a mechanical keyboard as versatile as Brooks' interests. This is the Taptec mechanical keyboard from Vinpoc, the first mechanical keyboard featuring an Apple key layout. The mechanical keys give the discerning typist bounce back they expect. The mechanical switches give you the response you need for serious gaming. And with Bluetooth connectivity, Taptec's mechanical keyboard works with all of your devices. This keyboard goes beyond versatility with its stylish metal design and intricate LED lighting system. Taptec's mechanical keyboard is as unique as you, but versatile enough to handle all of your interests, which are always expanding. Support us on Indiegogo today and be one of the first to experience Taptec's mechanical keyboard.